Step into the 2017 INFINITI QX80. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. INFINITI prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a headlight cleaning system, and power seats. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. INFINITI also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing INFINITI's comprehensive certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.